So today I'm here to read the brief history about our Tsum Valley. So here I start. Om Swasti is valley known as the secret land Tsum Kimolung of the Tsum people was prophesied by the Acharya of Udayana Padmasambhava, Rigzing Godem, and many other great masters. From ancient time on, Pawan Namo, who was known to be a descendant of the wise minister and servant of the emperor of black-haired Tibetan people Thimsamboja, came here seeking a secret land prophesied by the gods. He built bridges with their name, named places with no names, and founded residences, establishing the two fine traditions. To this day, the people continue to maintain their parents' and ancestors' traditions of the 10 virtues of the true dharma and the 16 pure practices of the worldly dharma. Many great beings, including the Mahaguru Padmasambhava and the Lord of Yoga Mila Laughing Vajra, had set foot in this valley, blessing it. In particular, after he had spent many years benefiting beings, the great Tetron from Rodra Guru Chong, a learned and accomplished master, established this monastery at this place that glows with the richness of blessings. This place, known locally as Ngawangap, has a long history. Chong and his descendants, the Lajang of Ngap, recipients many letters, degrees, and proclamations sent from the royal places of Nepal and Tibet in olden times, including a Tamapatra from the Gorkha king of Nepal, have continuously nurtured the true dharma among the people of Tsum both directly and indirectly. With the history as the basis, we are now having a grand celebration of the completion of this Chogi Dude monastery, a center for the Buddhist teaching that will be an unsurpassable sign of the excellent virtue in the near term as in the ultimate for human beings in general and the people of Tsum in particular. This has come about due to the great compassion of my root guru Khenchen Thakur Rinpoche, the great guide whose kindness I could never repay, and the incredible power of the Bodhicitta of Pangde Lama Pema Labzen Rinpoche, my grandfather, and the Thungse of the Ngak Lajang lineage of the great Tetron and king of the Dharma, Guru Chowang. The current holder of the Lajang Thungse Lama Pasan Phimso Rinpoche has taken on the primary responsibility working on this project with Thungse Thawachashi. Material and financial support has come from various individuals with faith, and the people of the area, young and old alike, have all pitched in together to help. May the great accumulations of positivity of completing this be a cause for all sentient beings, our mothers achieving perfect enlightenment. In all countries, may all the scourge of disease, famine, conflict, natural disasters, and all the corruption of degenerate time be good. So that all beings may live rich in dharma and the glory of comfort and joy. When connected by this good motivation, if we put effort with actions of body, speech, and mind, may it be just so due to the power of the truth of the three jewels and unfailing interdependence. Writing by the one who holds the title of this familial lineage, the Shakya Bhikshu Pema Sawan, on the 8th day of the 8th month of the Tibetan Earth Peak year, 6th October 2019. Sariya Mangalam. Thank you all.